Hi everyone, in this video I'll be going over the Apply Your Learning question number 2 from the Math Fundamentals unit. Question number 2 asks, what is the cube root of 125? So when you're asked to find the cube root of something, you're essentially being asked what number multiplied by itself 3 times will give you that number. In our case, what number multiplied by itself 3 times will result in 125? So one way to solve this problem is to just plug in different numbers like 1 times 1 times 1, 2 times 2 times 2, and so on and so forth until you find which number results in 125, and that would be your cubed root. But that can take some time depending on what number you're looking for, and so another way you can solve it is by using your calculator. In your calculator, you can type in either this or this, and these are both equivalent. So both of these are different ways of writing the cube root. And so I'll show you how to type those in on the Texas Instruments calculator shown here below. This is the TI-30X2S, I believe, is how that's read. And so I'll demonstrate how you would type in these different equations in here. So first we'll start with the cube root written like so. And so to type this into the calculator, you'll first start by typing in a 3, followed by the second button and the caret button. It's a little hard to see in this image, but above the caret button is something that looks like that. And that's basically saying the x root of something. So any number that you type before this button will give you the third root, the fourth root, the fifth root, and so on and so forth. So we can use that button, and it'll appear like this. Then you can type 125, hit enter, and you'll find that the cube root of 125 is 5. So you should get a 5 once you type that in. Another way to type that in is, like we said before, raising something to the 1/3 root is the same thing as taking the cube root. Raising something to the 1/3 power is the same thing as taking the cube root. And we can type that into the calculator by typing in 125, followed by the caret button, which is just raising something to the power of another number. Then our left parenthesis, 1 divided by 3, and then close our parentheses. We hit enter and we will find 5 yet again. So both of those are equally reasonable ways to solve the cubed root of a number. And so for number 2, what is the cubed root of 125? Our answer is 5.